And that time, my English it was not good, and I'm first generation, so I was like kind of like lost in my classes. So I like all the support that they bring.
Evelyn Limon Vasquez was born in the state of Utah, but moved with her family to Mexico when she was only 3 years old.
I was in the middle school in Mexico, different education. So I was like, you know what? If I have the opportunity to study in US, like I will take it.
Evelyn did get that opportunity. She moved back to the States at 14, attending Arcadia High School in Wisconsin. However, relearning English proved to be difficult.
I learned English, but nobody correct my English. So I was like trying just to learn it, like, and it's not matter the way.
Despite the language barrier and a worldwide pandemic during her senior year, Evelyn graduated high school. She decided Western Technical College would be a good fit to continue her education.
It was really hard for me. My advisor, she noticed that I was struggling with my English, and so she said like, Betsy, she gave like a lot of support in that area.
Betsy Breckenridge is an instructor that helps English language learners at Western. Around the same time, Betsy's colleague Dylan Mader was reaching out about Evelyn's struggles in an English class.
So Dylan emailed me and say, hey, I know like you're not getting like a good grade in English. Like I'm here to help you. If you have any questions, just contact me. And I was like, no, I'm okay. Like I have Betsy. Betsy told me like, just contact him. Like it's okay to ask for help. So I emailed him back, and yeah, and right now I will say he is one of my favorite teachers. The first year both helped me a lot with my writing and reading skills. I just do my homework. Dylan or Betsy are there. But if I have questions like, I don't know what this word means, or the whole paragraph, I understand this, but I'm not kind of sure if I'm right. So they tell me like, okay, explain me what you understand. So they tell me like, you're right, but there's also like extra, in this paragraph.
In addition to the English skills, Dylan also helped Evelyn work through other barriers to her education.
In that time, I was like worried because I had to pay bills, rent, everything. I had to sleep in the floor with no bed, nothing. I was in that time, I say like, you know what, just forget the school and just start working, and probably like in 2 years you can just go back to school. So I tell everything to Dylan, and Dylan was like we can help you, like there's a lot of resources and Western. So I was like, Dylan, I just like, I'm tired, like I'm done with this. He told me, okay, like it's your decision, and you are a wonderful person and you are a smart person. So whatever you do in the future, you will get success. So I was like he's right. But I think I can get more success if I go to college. So right now I'm really grateful with Dylan and Betsy for continuing Western or in my academic career, I'm excited because in this summer I will graduate, and I'm planning to go to Viterbo, and it's something that when I was like 10 years old, I was like, I want to go to college. I want to do like those things. And right now, I'm not like, okay, my dream isn't that way. So like I'm taking that dream.